Everything you've ever known, every war, every sunset, every person you've ever loved exists on a tiny rock orbiting a medium-sized star. We call the Milky Way huge because it takes light 100,000 years just to cross it. But in the deep suburbs of the cosmos, there is a structure that makes our entire home galaxy look like a literal speck of dust. If the Milky Way is a coin, this titan is the size of a football stadium. Meet Alcyoneus, the galaxy that shouldn't exist. For decades, space enthusiasts hailed IC 1101 as the king of the universe. With a width of nearly 4 million light, it was the gold standard for unfathomable. But in 2022, researchers using the LOFA network stumbled upon something lurking 3 billion light-years away. They weren't looking for a monster. They found one anyway. Alcyoneus isn't just bigger than IC 1101. It's nearly 4 times larger. We are talking about a span of 16.3 million light-years. How does a galaxy even get that big? Here's the secret. Alcyoneus is a giant radio galaxy. The stars and planets, the stuff we can see, are actually concentrated in a relatively small host galaxy at the center. But at its heart lies a supermassive black hole. As this black hole feasts, it belches out gargantuan jets of plasma at nearly the speed of light. These jets have pushed out into the void for billions of years, creating 2 massive lobes of radio-emitting gas. When you measure from the tip of one plume to the other, you get a structure so wide that if you started traveling across it at the speed of light today, you wouldn't reach the other side until the year 16,000,2026. Let's put that in perspective. The Milky Way, a respectable 100,000 light-years across. Andromeda, our neighbor, roughly 220,000 light-years. The local group, the entire cluster containing us, Andromeda, and 50 other galaxies. That's only about 10 million light-years across. Alcyoneus is bigger than our entire local neighborhood. If you placed it where the Milky Way is, its wings would reach past dozens of other nearby galaxies, effectively swallowing our corner of the universe. The most terrifying part, Alcyoneus is located in a region of space with incredibly low density. It's growing in a cosmic desert. Scientists are currently baffled, because the host galaxy at its center is actually quite ordinary. It's a standard elliptical galaxy. There is no reason it should be able to produce plumes this massive. It challenges everything we know about how black holes interact with the cosmic web. It's a reminder that the deeper we look into the dark, the more we realize we're just guests in a universe that operates on a scale we can barely comprehend.